In the world of project management, choosing the right tool can make all the difference. While many platforms offer a dizzying array of features, Basecamp has carved out a unique niche by focusing on simplicity, clarity, and effective team communication. It's designed to cut through the noise and provide a centralized hub for all your project-related discussions, files, to-dos, and schedules. If you're looking to streamline your team's collaboration and get projects across the finish line with less fuss, creating a Basecamp account is a smart first step. As a project management expert, I often guide teams through the process of adopting new tools. While Basecamp prides itself on being intuitive, a little guidance can make the setup process even smoother. This article will walk you through, simple step, how to make a Basecamp account, setting the stage for more organized and productive work. Step 1. Head to the Basecamp website. Your journey begins at the official Basecamp website. Open your preferred web browser and type in basecamp.com. This is your gateway to signing up. You'll likely see a clean, uncluttered homepage that emphasizes Basecamp's core value proposition: organized teams, projects, and client work. Step 2. Look for the sign-up or free trial option. On the Basecamp homepage, you'll typically find a prominent button or link inviting you to try Basecamp for free or get started. As of my last check, Basecamp offers a generous 30-day free trial, which is an excellent way to test the waters and see if the tool is a good fit for your team's workflow without any financial commitment. Click on this button to proceed. Step 3. Enter your email address. The first piece of information Basecamp will request is your email address. Use the email address you intend to primarily use for your Basecamp account. This will be your login identifier. Ensure it's an email you check regularly, as Basecamp will use it for notifications and account verification. After entering your email, you might be prompted to confirm it or move to the next step, which usually involves setting up your initial company or team name. Step 4. Name your company or team. Basecamp will ask for the name of your company or the team you'll be setting up Basecamp for. This name will appear prominently within your Basecamp account and will be visible to all users. Choose a name that is clear and recognizable to your team members. For example, Acme Corp Projects or Marketing Department. You'll also be asked to create a unique URL for your Basecamp account, something like yourcompanyname.basecamp.com. This URL will be your team's dedicated access point to your Basecamp projects. Choose something memorable and easy for your team to type and recognize. Step 5. Set up your account details, name and password. Next, you'll need to provide your full name and create a secure password for your Basecamp account. Your name. Use your real name, as this will be how other team members identify you within Basecamp discussions and assignments. Password. Choose a strong, unique password. Good practices include a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using easily guessable information. Basecamp will likely have indicators to show you the strength of your chosen password. Make sure to store your password in a secure place or use a reliable password manager. Step 6. Define your initial usage. Optional but helpful. Basecamp might present a brief questionnaire to understand how you plan to use the tool. This is often to help them tailor your initial experience or offer relevant tips. For instance, they might ask, what kind of team are you? E.g., marketing, development, freelance. What type of work will you be doing? E.g., client projects, internal operations. How many people are on your team? Answering these questions, though often optional, can help Basecamp provide a more personalized onboarding experience. Step 7. Invite your team members. This is where your Basecamp account truly comes to life. After setting up your own details, Basecamp will guide you to invite your team members. You can typically do this by entering their email addresses. Type in the email addresses of the people you want to invite. Basecamp will send them an invitation link. Sharing an invitation link. Sometimes, Basecamp provides a shareable link that you can send to your team members, allowing them to join directly. It's a good practice to have a conversation with your team beforehand, explaining that you're introducing Basecamp and why, so they're prepared to receive and accept the invitation. Step 8. Create your first project. The real fun begins. Once your account is set up and your team members are invited, Basecamp will likely prompt you to create your first project. This is the foundation of your work in Basecamp. When creating a project, you'll typically need to give it a clear name, something that immediately tells everyone what the project is about, e.g., Q3 marketing campaign, website redesign phase 1, new employee onboarding. Add a brief description, a sentence or two explaining the project's goal or purpose. Select relevant team members. Choose which of your invited team members should be part of this specific project. This ensures that only relevant individuals see project details and notifications. Step 9. Explore your new Basecamp account. Congratulations! You've successfully made a Basecamp account and set up your first project. Now it's time to explore. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the key sections within a Basecamp project. To-dos. For breaking down work into manageable tasks. Message board, for discussions and announcements. Campfire, a real-time chat for quick conversations. Schedule, for important dates and deadlines. Docs and files, for storing and sharing documents, images, and other files. Automatic check-ins, for recurring questions to keep everyone updated.